Hello friends, let us see. Lecture start हुआ. Can you see me? So I have uploaded the link. Okay, now everybody can see me guys, and thank you so much. यहाँ पे सब clear हो रहा है. Okay. So today we are going to do a quick revision of guys chapter number 3 and one by one. So let us see how many joins with us, and then we can go ahead. Chalo guys, how many? Hi. Okay, chemistry, 7 students are live guys. 7 students are live, and let me tell you guys, today we are going to study about, you can say, pair of linear equation with two variables. Quickly I am going to revise. Hi Kalpesh, hi chemistry bhai, hi Sarda Patel. Okay guys, so without wasting much time we are going to start. You are Dixit. Okay Dixit bhai. So guys, let me start with this one, and let me select the color. Okay, this will work now guys. So first of all, we are going to study about pair of linear equation with two variable. You should know that what is linear equation with two variable. Pair of linear equation with two variables. So first of all, one equation is there. So LHS equals to RHS, something will be there. Now linear equation, so variable का पावर होगा 1. So the power of variable will be 1, and two variables. So I think two variable, and the power of both that variables should be 1, and equation is there. So this should be equals to something, let me write down 0 or 5. So now you can see guys, this is a linear equation with two variables, or I can say 2x plus 3y equals to 7. So you can say equation, then two variables, then equation and two variables. Now we need pair of linear equation with two variables. So actually we need pair means 2. So we need 2. So can I write like this also, 3x plus 2y equals to 12. So now you can say here we are having two linear equation with two variables. So we call this as pair of linear equation with two variables guys. Okay, you studied about this in class 9. And let me tell you guys, everybody please try to watch this video in 360p or more than 360p. Okay guys, try to watch this video in 360p or more than 360p guys, so that will give you a clear result. Now this is pair of linear equation. In 9th class, what you were doing, you were finding the solution of this equation, 4 solution of this equation, by keeping or by assuming any one of the values. Let me write down. By supposing, if you suppose x equals to 1, if x equals to 1, what will be y? Take this one here, y will be 4. If you are assuming x2, then y3, x3, then y2, if x4, then y1, and if x is 5, then y will be 0. So this way we were finding the solutions, and what we were doing, we were representing that on graph, and we were getting infinite solution of any linear equation with two variables. Okay, so we were getting one straight line from this all coordinates. What we were getting? We were getting one straight line. Okay, so here also we will get one straight line with one equation. So total how many straight line we will get here guys? Total how many straight line we will get here with this two equation or with this pair of linear equation? Can you tell me in the comment section guys? Total how many linear equations we will get? Okay, sorry, total how many lines we will get? Here with one equation we were getting one line on the graph in class 9. Now here in class 10th we are having two equations. So now this time we will get two lines, guys. Yes, Janil, we will get two lines. So now let me tell you, three conditions will be there in two lines. How many conditions will be there? Let me make graph and show you, and I will write down. You can click a photograph also if you want to keep this with you. Now all the conditions I am going to write down in this one, so please do it very carefully. Three conditions will be there in two lines. How many conditions will be there, guys? Three conditions. Okay, this is our graph. Now let me use some another color so that I can show you. Let me use red color so that, look here, first condition that we will get is we will get two lines like this, and that two lines will intersect. First condition, two lines we will get. First condition is that two line will intersect somewhere. Second condition that we will get is that two lines will be parallel, so that two lines will never intersect, guys. That two lines will never intersect. And the third condition that we will get is that both the lines will be on the same track. Both the lines will be on same track, right, guys? So we will get three conditions in pair of linear equation with two variables, and that we are going to use here. Let me use again the white color. So when it is intersecting at one point, what we call this, guys? We call this intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay. Now here the lines are not intersecting, they are parallel. So here we will call this as parallel lines. And here coincident lines. The lines are having the same track, so coincident lines. We will get three different types of lines, guys. Hi Dylan. So now when it is intersecting, how many solutions we will get, guys? Can you tell me, when they are intersecting, how many solutions we will get? You write down in the comment section, guys, so that I come to know that how many are active, and when the two lines are intersecting, how many solutions we will get. Guys, when the two lines are intersecting, we will get one solution. You can write down one solution or unique solution. Okay, here parallel lines. So how many solutions we will get in parallel line, guys? How many solutions we will get in parallel lines? The lines are not intersecting, so we will get no solution, guys. And here the lines are coincident, so we will get infinitely many solutions. In first condition, intersecting line, one solution. Parallel lines, no solution. Coincident line, infinitely many solutions, guys. Now what about when one solution is there? Means we are getting some answer. In one solution means we are getting some answer. So we call this as consistent. Here we are not getting any of the single answer, so we will call this as inconsistent. And here we are getting answer, many answer, but we are getting answer, that means, so we will call this consistent. So here in these two cases we are getting answer, here we are not getting answer, so these are consistent. Now can you tell me, out of these two, in which answer we can depend more, guys? In which answer out of these two, on which answer we can depend more? We call that dependent, guys. Here also we are getting one answer, here we are getting infinitely many answer. So on which answer we can depend more, guys? Tell me in the comment section. Guys, quickly tell me on which answer we can depend more. Waiting for your answer, guys. Okay, let me tell you. So we can depend more on this because here we are getting infinitely many answer. So this is consistent plus dependent. So sometime in board examination they ask you which one is dependent. So please keep this in mind and you can use that. Okay, intersecting nahi hoga, Ravindra. At that time we will be more focusing, or we can say dependent on infinite answer, because here we are getting infinitely many answers. Here we are getting only one answer, so we can depend more on infinitely many answers. Okay, so please keep this in mind. That's why only you can take a photograph also if you want to take out, guys. Now moving towards the next part. Suppose let me give you one x plus y equals to 7 and 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Now tell me what answer I will get, or intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident line with this two equation without drawing the graph. Yes, here we need to draw graph for finding that we were getting intersecting, parallel, or coincident. For that we need to draw graph, but without graph also we can find out whether we will get intersecting, coincident, or parallel lines without graph. How? By just finding out the ratios of their coefficient. First of all, let me tell you the standard form: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of any linear equation with two variables, guys. This is the standard form of any linear equation with two variables. So let me tell you, x plus y equals to 7. Can you tell me what will be a in this one, in this equation, one equation? Can you tell me, guys, in first equation what will be a? This is your second equation, this is your first equation. What will be the value of a in your first equation? Quickly, guys, please tell me. A is 1, so we call this as a1. Hi Janil, come on, what will be your b1? B1, tell me what will be your B1? That will be also 1. Can you tell me what will be your C1? Quickly, guys, C1. I am asking about C1, guys, jaldi. C1 will be minus 7. Very good. You need to arrange this in standard form and then try to find out. Now from the second equation, tell me what will be your A2, B2 and C2, guys. Jaldi se bata do what will be your A2, B2 and C2. A2 will be 2, B2 will be 3 and C2 will be, hi Priyanshu, and C2 will be minus 4, guys. So this way, first of all, you need to find out the coefficient of both this, and then you need to divide and find out if you are getting A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. Here are you getting A1 upon A2? A1 upon A2, that is 1 by 2, and B1 upon B2, that is 1 by 3. Are these two equal, guys? Are these two equal? Here A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2. Hello Aryan bhai, jaldi se beta. क्या ये दोनों equal है? Tell me, guys. A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 or not? Here they are equal. No, they are not equal. Whenever A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, at that time we can say we will get intersecting lines. One solution or unique solution and consistent. Okay. Now, if you are getting A1 upon A2 is equals to b1 upon b2. Then what you need to do, guys? If you are getting a1 upon a2 is equals to, इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होते, डिपेंडेंट होते हैं, दैट आई विल टेल यू. आर्यन, मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले ही समझाया. लेट मी फिनिश दिस, देन आई विल टेल यू डिपेंडेंट किससे कहते हैं. ओके आर्यन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेटर, if you are getting a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, Janil, we cannot directly say any of the things with these two number. After these two, if they are equal, then we need to go for c1 upon c2 also. We need to go for c1 upon c2. Here, suppose if we are getting these two equal, but the third one is not equal. If we are getting, and these are not, I'm not using this answer because this is this one. If we are getting a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but is not equals to c1 upon c2, then you can say parallel lines, no solution, and inconsistent. Okay guys, अरे tomorrow I will take, जरूरी नहीं हर रोज. Okay, now a1 upon a2 if they are equal, and if you are getting the third is also equal. अगर तीनों equal मिले तो क्या होगा, जल्दी बताओ guys. If you are getting all these three equal, then if you are getting all these three equal, then what you can say guys? Then you can say, if you are getting all these three equal, then you can say coincident line okay guys, coincident line. And then how many solution? Infinite solution. And consistent plus dependent, consistent plus dependent. Okay, this will be consistent plus dependent. Now Aryan, let me clear your doubt. These are the things by this which you can directly, without drawing the graph, directly find out whether you will get intersecting line, parallel line, or coincident line. Tell me now, in this three, can you tell me here how many solutions we are getting? Aryan, jaldi se, quickly tell me how many solutions we are getting here. Here we are getting one solution, and here we are getting infinite solution. So on which you can depend more, one solution or infinite solution? Aryan, on which graph you should depend more, on one solution or infinite solution? Infinite. Yes, that's why this is consistent plus dependent. Understand? Aryan, that's why only we call this consistent plus dependent. Okay, that you need to keep in mind. Okay guys, is it clear? And is this also clear guys? Should I give you few sums related to this? Come on guys, let me give you few questions related to this so that you come to know whether you will get which type of lines. Come on, tell me guys, let me give you questions. Question number 1. 2x plus 3y equals to 2. And second, x minus 2y equals to 8. Which type of line you will get in this question guys? Tell me. Pole. Sorry dear, we don't have pole, but I can give you options. Sorry. I can give you options for that. come on, A intersecting, B parallel, C coincident, and D none of this. So here you will get, you can write down the option guys. What you will get? You will get intersecting lines. Why? Here A1 upon A2, that is 2 by 1. B1 upon B2, that is 3 by minus 2. So here A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So intersecting lines and coincident and everything. Okay, did you get this one guys? Clear hai? Koi problem? Then please let me know. Otherwise let me give you one more question guys. Next one, same option. चलो यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. 6x plus 8y is equals to 15. Come on guys, tell me what answer you will get in this one. Waiting for your answer. A intersecting, B parallel, C coincident, D none of this. Okay. 2 student has submitted their answer. Aryan, Ravindra. Okay, somebody said coincident. Again parallel, coincident. Coincident wala bhai galat hai. Here we will get parallel lines. Here we will get parallel lines. Why? You can see A1 upon A2, that will be 3 by 6. Okay, that will be equals to 1 by 2. B1 upon B2, 4 by 8, so that will be also equals to 1 by 2. But C1 upon C2, 5 by 15, so you will get 1 by 3. So here A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2, but is not equals to C1 upon C2. So parallel lines, no solution, inconsistent. Got it guys? Clear hai? Third question, come on. 2x plus 3y equals to 7. And let me tell you, 4x plus 6y equals to 14. Tell me guys, what we need to do in this one? Crystal clear? Thank you so much, Ravindra bhai. Come on guys, tell me the answer for this one. Somebody said coincident. Mihir Bhavia said yes sir. Ha sir. Infinite. Many solution. Yes guys, here we will get coincident. Why? A1 upon A2, that is equals 2 by 4, that will be equals to 1 by 2. B1 upon B2, 3 by 6, that will be equals to 1 by 2. And C1 upon C2, 7 by 14, that will give you 1 by 2. So all these are equal. So here A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. So you can say guys, everything is equal. So infinitely many solution, coincident line, infinite solution. Right guys, clear hai? Okay, I think now tomorrow I will teach you elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication. Okay, thank you Aryan bhai. So guys, I think यहाँ तक बेसिक सबका क्लियर हो चुका है. Now 2 या 3 मेथड जो बाकी रही है वो, and then word problem. So we will practice more word problems also of this type. So thank you so much for being with me guys. Thank you so much. Here we are going to end our lecture. Bye guys, bye bye.